hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video, you see, we have still a weekend. Yes, no assets are open for binary option. OTC market is not available too. So this video is another trade school, high frequency trading explanation and example video. Those one who do not know what this is, it is a video where I show you and explain in detail why I'm doing such trades. Mostly I'm doing really fast my trades, and after 5 minutes the trade the video is closed. Yes, it's finished and I have done my trades, and then there's no time mostly to explain all those things in detail. And so I'm doing on the weekend when the assets are closed and I cannot do the live trading those kind of explanation videos. All my trades and all my all my trades are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So okay, that is the stuff which I have to explain. So let's start immediately with this video, and let me see, where do I have this video? Yeah, here. Okay, we are going here. First of all, I have to explain you some things. So we have here, you see a downtrend. We are here in between of the 1 deviation and 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Here we are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band and direction of the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. I have explained this often. If price is between the 1 deviation lower band, that is this one, and the 2 deviation lower band or below this, we have a strong trend. That is a nice strong trend. Yes, this area here is a strong trending area. So, and if the price is here in between of the 1 deviation and the other 1 deviation or the middle Bollinger Band, we have ranging market. Yes, and if price is here above this, we have here uptrend. Yes, that is what I have explained often. So what do you need to know about the market conditions? This you see the 200 EMA is almost flat. Why it's almost flat? Because we got here a crossing. You see here, here's DNA crossing. We have the middle Bollinger Band and the 20 EMA and the 20 and the 50 EMA are crossing. Yes, and the other EMAs here, the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA are almost flat. Yes, that is what's about. And this means that this downtrend is a strong downtrend in this short time frame here. Yes, in this short time frame, but it's not established. That means that this trend is not established, and I see this only by looking in the past. I'm looking back, I'm looking what's on the left side of the chart, and I see here the price is not strong or it's not established. So when price is not, or when market, the trend of the market is not established, yes, you have to be carefully, and you have to care much more about that what candlestick pattern are telling you. Yes, so, and that's the reason why this trend was not established. I decided, and you will see this, to do in this kind of situation a call. Yes, I did a call here in this kind of situation because of we are far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band here. Yes, we are here close to the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. This candlestick is a bullish candle. Yes, so you can expect that price will go up. We closed here above the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, and that was the reason why I decided in this kind of condition to enter into a call. But that is what happening now. Yes, and so let's see. Because I try to explain you my decisions based on those candles which are now present. Yes, which are now occurring, because I can tell you a lot, but important is that what I have understood. So on the last few seconds of the expiration time, yes, you see this candlestick got a rejection here from this level. yes, from this level, and what looks like a little bit like no, from this level, and ending in some kind what I would call a doji. Yes, that is a doji. Spinning top would be a little bit too much. Yes, if you have such small bodies, yes, you have to handle those things not like a spinning top. You have to handle it more like a doji. The same like this one here. This is also not a spinning top. It's a doji. Dojis. That are all dojis. Yes. This could be already a little bit better than a doji, yes, a little bit more, but you have to understand that this kind of candlesticks are mostly like dojis that are indecision candles in general, yes, and also if it's a little bit bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter, yes, it's all, you have to handle them all like indecision candles. So, and after I have seen that this candle here, yes, doesn't unfold like I have expected, because I would have expected that it would go up further. Yes, that is what you have to understand if price is going to break through any kind of Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band, the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, or the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, yes. Price, if it breaks really good, it goes mostly, yes, strong upwards after such kind of strength and after such kind of downtrend. But because this candle doesn't got a big one, got only a small one, I understood that this downtrend was not over, and so I decided, and that I would do again, yes, to enter again into a put here. I would enter always in this kind of condition, always in a put, yes, because the trend is overall down, yes. We got here a breakout. This candlestick is a fake breakout of this, or initiating a fake breakout of the 1 deviation, and that would be the reason to enter into a put, because the downtrend is still active. Here, in this kind of situation, the downtrend looked that it would be finishing, yes, because we broke here through. But this here, this weak candle here, it was a sign for me that price will continue to going down. And then we got this kind of huge candle which broke this kind of area here. And I'm zooming out to see where was some kind of support and resistance level. Here I see a double bottom, but the neckline of the double bottom was here above. So, and after this, because we closed here below this area, yes, so this is nothing else than a pullback, yes, like a pullback from the 1 deviation. I have explained this often in my ebooks. It's as explained in the video about the high probability trading setups, where I have shown you the continuation. You have a downtrend, yes, and then you get a pullback from the 1 deviation, and after this pullback of the 1 deviation, you can expect that price will continue to going down, because why should else this kind of price would do this kind of pullback? It could have gone also up if there would be the bias, and that is the common sense, that is the logic behind all this. And we have here also these 2 weeks which are protecting the bet if you should do a bet in a put bet, yes, a lower bet, because this too would protect your bet. You have all the odds in your favor, because the trend is down. Also, if they are getting now, it was flat. Yes, and you see now we are getting down, and the 20 EMA is also down, and you see how the 20 EMA and the middle Bollinger Band are parallel. And those two parallel means a nice downtrend. Yes, that is also, if they are heading both below and are parallel, that means that we have a good downtrend now. Yes, because they are getting both in the same direction. There is no crossing. I have explained this. Crossing of the 20 EMA and the 20 SMA or the middle Bollinger Band means almost, or you get a trend reversal or you get a pullback. Yes, and here they didn't touch, yes, and that is a nice sign that we get here now in a nice downtrend, and that was also the reason why I entered then after this, because we broke through this support level, and I have explained this support level will be a resistance level. Yes, I could also enter on this rejection now. Yes, but I entered immediately because I understood that this would hold. The trend was in my favor too. Yes, and this bearish candle after this pullback of the one deviation was a clear sign to me that the downtrend will continue, and that is what I have explained in the high probability trading setup, continuation trades. You see the continuation pattern trades here, that were continuation trades. This trade here, this call trade, which doesn't unfold like I have expected, because I have expected that it will go at least on the halfway to the middle Bollinger Band. If this bullish candle would have gone at the halfway to the middle Bollinger Band, yes, I would have done, and this, you see, this kind of scenario here is also again a sign for me that price could reverse, yes, could reverse or would continue, depending on how price would react on this kind of candlestick pattern. You have to understand price is doing lower lows, yes, and higher lows, yes. This is higher low, lower lows, yes. That means here can be now happening a reversal, yes, because we already created a higher low, yes, and the lower low, and now price could reverse here, and it depends from that what this coming candle would do, yes, if I would do a put or a call, depending on this, because this candle here doesn't unfold like I would have expected. I would have expected a nice downward movement, yes, because we got a rejection from this area, but this shows me more that we have here also buying pressure, and that means we could here get a really easily also reversal, yes, and also a round number here below, but at the end this weak candle after this bearish candle would tell me that we would get here a fake breakout of this kind of area, yes, which is nothing else than a support, and now getting resistance. Yes, that is this one. Okay, that was the explanation of those trades. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.